Welcome! My name is Heather Sledge, and this is my third year teaching mathematics at Parkway Middle School. I am so excited to work with y'all to make this a fantastic year. Fun facts about me are that I am originally from Maryland, I have a cat named Bo, I like hiking and kayaking, and I love Disney. I also have a background in visual arts, art history, political science, history, psychology, and business management. I got my degrees from Flagler College in St. Augustine, Florida, and Anne Arundel Community College in Arnold, Maryland. I am certified to teach mathematics grade 5-9, elementary education grades K-6, social sciences grade 6-12. My contact information is heather.sledge@osceolaschools.net. I may also be reached by calling the school at 407-344-7000. My planning periods are 2AC and 2BD. Let's have an amazing year! Alrighty, let's go ahead and get ready for this year. So, what do we need for Miss Sledge's class? Well, you need one pack of 12 count number 2 pencils. Please sharpen them. A pencil sharpener with a cover. Earbuds. We will be using computers at times and earbuds are necessary. A spiral notebook. And a pack of highlighters. When we're in Miss Sledge's class, we roar. What does it mean to roar? We are respectful. We speak appropriately to others. Use school and home equipment properly. Follow adult directions. We take ownership. We complete all work by trying our best. We are honest and solve problems peacefully. And we are organized. We are accepting. We encourage others and treat them as you would like to be treated. We use kind words and are open to new ideas. And we are ready. We use our time appropriately. We have a positive attitude and a growth mindset for learning. All class assignments that are not completed during class time will need to be completed at home. It is expected that in the event of an absence, makeup work is completed as soon as possible. You cannot wait until you return to find out what you have missed. Each week, homework will be assigned in Success Maker or offered as a packet sent home on Monday and will be due Friday. What is my grading procedure? Well, 55% of my grading is standards mastery. This includes assessments and projects. 10% is independent practice, which is bell works and homework, and 35% is applying content. This will be completed through classwork assignments. My ROAR classroom expectations are: be respectful, take ownership, be accepting, and be ready. What about makeup in virtual class policies? Students can use Teams, Miss Sledge's period, and whatever class number you have, Parkway Middle School, to make up work and to find resources for missed class instructional time. Students' questions and concerns. Students will be assigned an individual channel to reach out to the teacher, where only the teacher can see their comments. It will be labeled as first initial, last name, period, Q&A. Tutorials. Topic tutorials will be posted where content will be reviewed with work included in the tutorial for student to complete. Student must take notes as they follow the tutorial in order to complete their work. Assignments. All assignments will be uploaded into the Assignments tab in the General channel for students to complete makeup work. I look forward to working with y'all soon. Let's have an amazing year.